Are you looking for the best sim racing wheels? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best sim racing wheels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Logitech G Pro Racing Wheel. Logitech has been making entry-level sim racing wheels for years, but with its new Logitech G Pro series, the accessory manufacturer is taking on the likes of Fanatec and Thrustmaster. This direct drive system offers up to 11 Nm of force and features magnetic paddle shifters for a lifelike experience while going up and down the gearbox. The base unit can be mounted to a desk or table with the included bracket, or directly mounted to most sim racing cockpits with its integrated screw pattern. Included with the base is a full-sized wheel with an array of buttons and dials for navigating menus and adjusting car settings on the fly. To make the most of the system, you'll want to make sure to purchase it alongside the Logitech G Pro racing pedals. Logitech has also recently released new wheel options, which work with a hot swappable hub. The RS Track wheel offers a GT-like driving experience while the RS Round wheel offers a more traditional driving experience, such as you'd find in NASCAR and rally racing vehicles. There's also an optional RS shifter and handbrake accessory that can, as the name suggests, work as either a sequential shifter or handbrake, depending on the type of sim racing you do. If you do something like rally racing where both a sequential shifter and handbrake are required, you can pick up 2 to complete your setup. Logitech has also partnered with Momo for additional wheels, but the final products are yet to be seen. You can sign up on Logitech's website to receive information when the Logitech x Momo products are released. It's also worth noting that there are different versions of this wheel depending on whether or not you're playing on PC, PlayStation, or Xbox. The PlayStation and Xbox models both work with PCs, but the PC version won't work with consoles, so keep that in mind depending on the games you play. Number 2. Turtle Beach VelocityOne Race Wheel and Pedal System. Turtle Beach might be as well known in the sim racing world as other companies on this list, but it does know a thing or two about creating simulation peripherals, and the VelocityOne Race System is a valiant first effort to make an affordable direct drive system that includes everything you need to get started on PCs or Xbox consoles. We got our hands on a review unit and were immediately impressed with how well it was packaged, how comprehensive the included components were, and how easy it was to get up and running. The steering wheel itself is solid in construction and features a full-color display integrated into the dash that can not only be used to navigate all of the settings, but also used to display real-time information from compatible racing games. Usually, you have to shell out extra for a dedicated dash. With the VelocityOne, it's included. And not only is it included, it can be customized using Turtle Beach's accompanying mobile app, which can be used to remap nearly every button and create custom profiles for different users or games. The direct drive motor offers up to 7.2 Nm of torque, and the MagShift paddle shifters offer a realistic tactile shifting experience. With any direct drive wheel, you need to be sure it's safely and securely mounted to whatever platform you're using it on, and Turtle Beach does a fantastic job offering up multiple options for attaching it to your desk or dedicated racing seat. In addition to screw mounts on the bottom of the unit, there's also an integrated clamp system that cleverly extends and retracts from the body of the wheel using a hex key that's cleverly located in a SID compartment of the wheel body. The pedals were equally impressive, offering the usual 3-pedal array: clutch, brake, and accelerator. The pedals adjustment systems are easy to change on the fly with a twist of a knurled collar, and while they can't be as precisely adjusted as more high-end sim racing gear, we feel it's a wonderful compromise between functionality and simplicity. Other features include an included button box that attaches to either side of the wheel. Button boxes aren't included with any other wheel in this list, so it's nice to see Turtle Beach include one, especially one with as many buttons as this one offers. In addition to the VelocityOne Race Wheel and pedals, Turtle Beach has also released the VelocityOne Multi-Shift, a versatile sim racing shifter that can work as an H-pattern shifter, a sequential shifter, or even a handbrake. The unit, which retails for $130, comes with an integrated desk clamp, as well as screw attachment options on the bottom of the unit. Also included are 2 shifter knobs to dial in just the feel you're looking for. As a whole, the Turtle Beach VelocityOne system is one of the best values out there if you're looking for a simple plug-and-play option for either PC or Xbox. It offers everything you need to get started short of a computer/console and seat, and offers up a realistic sim racing experience that's on par with systems much more expensive. Number 3. Logitech G923 Racing Wheel and Pedals. The Logitech G923 is the successor to the company's popular G29 and G920 sim racing rigs. Like the aforementioned models, this unit comes in two different versions, one for PlayStation consoles and one for Xbox and PC gamers. Confusingly, they're both called the G923, so you'll have to refer to the specific model names to ensure you get the right ones. Sony PlayStation and PC model, 941-000147, Microsoft Xbox and PC model, 941-000156. Externally, the two units look essentially identical to their predecessors, with the only notable differences being small style changes and the inclusion of a rotary dial, rev lights, and plus or minus buttons on the Xbox/PC model for the first time. Internally, Logitech has brought a handful of improvements to increase the realism of the wheels. Specifically, Logitech has added what it calls True Force, a vibration system that will rumble the wheel independent of the force feedback, adding extra realism when you hit high revs or go off track. Also new are additional paddles on the back that can be used as a dual clutch system for games that support such functionality. The pedal setup that comes with the G923 models has also been improved with a more rigid brake pedal that better mimics the feeling of real-world pedals. Any and all settings you can adjust can be saved as custom profiles using Logitech's G-Hub software to ensure specific settings are used across different games. Number 4. Thrustmaster T300 RS Gran Turismo Edition Racing Wheel. The Thrustmaster T300 RS GT Edition is an all-in-one kit that offers a realistic and immersive driving experience at a reasonable price. It's designed for serious gamers and racing enthusiasts who value precision and authenticity. The wheel is equipped with Thrustmaster's Hall Effect Accurate technology, HART, which promises accurate and responsive steering. The force feedback system, powered by brushless servomotor, provides a seamless and smooth driving experience, replicating the feel of real-life racing conditions. The T300 RS GT Edition is officially licensed by Gran Turismo and is compatible with both PlayStation and PC platforms. It features a detachable GT-style wheel and a pedal set. The wheel is 11 inches in diameter and covered with reinforced rubber for a comfortable grip. The wheel includes 13 action buttons and a D-pad. The pedal set is fully adjustable and includes a brake pedal with progressive resistance, providing a more realistic braking feel. Despite its high-end features, the Thrustmaster T300 RS GT Edition is also designed to be user-friendly for beginners. It comes with a robust and adjustable mounting system that can be easily fitted to any desk or table, and the wheel's firmware is upgradable, ensuring it stays compatible with the latest games and systems. Overall, the T300 RS GT Edition is a comprehensive sim racing wheel that combines high-quality materials, advanced technology, and user-friendly design to deliver an authentic and enjoyable racing experience. Number 5. Thrustmaster TSXW Racer with Sparco P310 Competition Mod. The Thrustmaster TSXW Racer with Sparco P310 Competition Mod is a collaboration between Thrustmaster and Sparco, two industry leaders in the world of racing simulation and motorsports, respectively. The wheel is a 1:1 scale replica of the Sparco P310 competition wheel, known for its ergonomic design and build quality. The TSXW Racer features a powerful brushless servomotor that provides seamless force feedback and uses a dual belt system for a stronger, more realistic handling. While not with this specific wheel, I have used the TSXW wheel base before, and while not nearly as strong as direct drive wheels, it provides more than enough force to create realistic levels of resistance for even the most challenging of racing games. So much so that it will likely take time to build up your muscles if you intend to race for extended periods of time at higher force feedback levels. The wheel also features Thrustmaster's Hall Effect Accurate technology, HART, which ensures precision that won't decrease over time thanks to its contactless magnetic sensors. The TSXW racer is fully compatible with the Xbox One, Xbox Series S/X, and PC. It also supports Thrustmaster's ecosystem of add-ons, allowing you to customize your setup with different pedals, shifters, and handbrakes. The included Sparco P310 competition mod steering wheel is detachable, providing flexibility for users who wish to switch to other wheel rims.